Hey guys, I'm not sure if you can see me or hear me, but I put my laptop to my face first so you can see my light a bit more. Right now we are currently in the middle of a thunderstorm. Oh my god, I have never been in one so big. It's pouring down outside with rain, and just the thunder is huge. Brings me to the first subject of the episode. I don't think you can see me, can you? After. How about now? There we go. I watched a video on YouTube the other day, and it was from, I can't remember what state it was, but somewhere in America, and it was a really, really big storm. It blew trees down. I was watching this live from the video camera, and if I just keep quiet, you might be able to hear the thunder there. Come on. Yeah. It was literally a really big clash of thunder before I started this video. That's what made me do it. So right now, you won't be able to see much. Over there, just this hole over there. There's my curtains. I have them shut because usually during a thunderstorm I get seriously bad headaches. I know it sounds a bit weird, but I do. So I have that shut. My headache has now stopped because I have that shut. It's pitch black in here, which is cool. I'm watching 24 on my laptop. I can't believe how bad it's peeing it down. We haven't had a thunderstorm, I'd say, in about a year or two. Yeah, about 2 years. Which is really random, to be honest. Because you'd think that with the whole climate and everything, you'd get more thunderstorms than you normally do. But anyway, we've only had, like, this is the first one in about a year and a half, 2 years, and that. So, oh yeah, I'm a lot better. I'm no longer ill. I do still have a bit of the bunged up nose, but it's nothing too bad. I still breathe. I feel great, so that's cool. Okay, you know, I'm going to show you guys outside the window. I'm doing this for you guys. Oh, here you go, guys. It says that it pounded down. So look at the bouncing off the floor. I'll show you over. Oh, lightning. Yeah, it's absolutely hammering it down. So I'll stand here in front of the reflection. So, yeah, I don't know. I thought I'd just put this video up just to say hi and also to let you witness this thunderstorm that we are caught up in. Strangely enough, people do not care. They still go out in it. As you can see over there. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was big. Here goes then. So yeah, that's it's still going. There we go, stuck. No, still going. There we go, stuck. So, oh, well, that's really long. There you go, stuck. So yeah, then we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. I will put another video up once it finishes, and I'll show you the after thing, because we usually have a really, really sunny sky afterwards. So yeah, see you guys later.